Hello everyone! We are now going to introduce the Watchlist tool in your Vector Mobile. You can access it through the menu and select the Watchlist option. The initial screen of the Watchlist tool allows us to follow important information about cryptocurrencies, such as the last traded price, market cap, daily variation, and asset prices from different exchanges. We can also navigate through the other Watchlist grids by selecting the desired grid from the top menu. To add an asset, it is very simple. Just press the three dots in the upper right corner. Select the Add Asset option from the menu. On this screen, you can add the asset from the pre-selected list of cryptocurrencies. Or manually enter the asset name in the search field at the top of the screen. Select the checkbox from the assets you want to include and finish. Another way to add your assets to the watchlist grid is to drag the screen down. A search field will appear on top, and you can add the found assets to the list. Now, to exclude cryptocurrencies from our grid, you must select and hold the asset. Select the Order/Delete option. Select the red circle on the left, and press the Clear button to perform the deletion. Another way to do this is to press the three dots, select Order/Delete, and again, select in the red circle to delete. You can also sort the assets in your grid in the same way. Again, hold down the asset and go to Order/Delete. Select and hold the icon that has three horizontal bars on the right and move the asset. The tool also allows us to create and customize more watchlist grids. To create a new grid, we will select it in the upper tab, the New Grid option. Then, we will enter the grid's name and press the Create Grid button. Here, we can select which assets we want to include. If the asset is not in the list presented, you can search for it at the top by entering the asset's name. Again, in the watchlist grid, we can select the cryptocurrency to see more information about the asset. For example, the variation over several periods in conjunction with the line chart, and some information about the cryptocurrencies trading in the chart below. You can also navigate through the tabs on the top of the menu to access other trading and analysis tools, such as Chart, Order Entry, SuperDOM, among others. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you later.